guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another travel vlog. Safely arrived here in Surabaya, Indonesia, and first mode of business. You know what it is. Hey, Indonesian food for lunch. What's up, Noah? What's up, Rod, and everyone else? What's up? We're all hungry. Good morning, guys. We have arrived here in BROMO. We arrived yesterday. Yes, and it was about a 5-hour drive from Surabaya airport. Current time right now is 2:30 in the morning. We are about to head to Mount Bromo. It is one of the volcanoes, popular volcanoes here in Indonesia. It's pretty cold. I'm wearing 2 layers of jackets inside. Good morning, guys. Hello. You look so cozy. Yeah, what?
Up to Mount Bromo.
Yeah, Mount Bromo. Yay.
Go.
Good morning. Yay! So we have arrived at the starting point, almost at the starting point of the sunrise view. Wow! Thank you for the natural lighting. Look, Skywalker. But before anything else, we haven't eaten breakfast. We're gonna have some Indomie. This is Indomie. Every time I go here in Indonesia, I always buy. Oh my gosh, so much lighting. Wow! Thank you, JJ, Junjun. Junjun.
$10.
Okay, so this is really popular. When you go to Indonesia, you should definitely try some Indomie. It's instant noodles. Hello, you can hear me. Everybody else is here. Hey guys, hello. Good morning, everyone. Wow, I have a assistant here. Thank you so much, Junjun. Okay, so we are going to trek down, and they said it's like 30 degrees going down, so you better be careful. We are going to a secret spot. Well, not so secret, but not a lot of tourists goes here. So yeah, careful guys. See you.
Hindi na makita yung vest mo. Ay, Ave, wag mo iharap yung ilaw kasi natatakpan yung fez mo.
Kinakabag ako. We're just waiting for the sunrise. It'll take about maybe 20 to 30 minutes more until we see the sunrise. Everybody is in their position. Some are still finding their own place. This is everyone setting up their tripods.
Thanks. What's up?
Hey.
Alright, so we have about half an hour to wait until the sunrise. Ave's giving me that professional lighting.
Where is he?
Ron, I don't think that's
Oi, Pebble!
It's getting tasty. Alabenya, mama. The circle of life. Finally, it's getting clearer and you can see the volcanoes.
Wait till the light hits
You need
Yeah.
some face.
1,
I think you can have lean.
2, and there's another one right behind this mountain.
No.
Alright, put your...
Everybody's taking those shots. This is what happens whenever you travel around with content creators.
Yes.
So many cameras, so many...
So many
Take
Follow me, follow me. Follow me. I'm doing what Ave does. Oh yeah, baby, we're on now. We're hissing.
Wait. She's too
Ate Gail,
Ang dami mong suot, eh.
sobrang colorful mo naman. Pero yung totoo.
Wait, tingnan natin yung layers niya.
Okay.
Girl, meron pa siya nito.
Yeah. Actually, I still have another jacket.
Where's our Havel ride today? How much?
20,000. Yaman ko, no?
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows the cradle. Alright, we have reached the bottom
my
part,
father?
Lahar area.
Oh, the horse is there.
This is the volcano
He's there.
right behind me.
We need a car here. No.
Good morning. Third day here in Surabaya. We're off to see some museums today before we head out, before we fly to Bali. Okay, so everybody has been messaging me, tweeting that I look like Miss Universe Vietnam 2018. This is her photo. I don't know, some of you guys have been telling me I look just like her, but I don't see it at all. Let's see. Vietnam, I don't know. I don't know. Miss Universe Vietnam,
Look, get out!
Before our flight, of course, we're gonna eat some ice cream. You guys know how much I love ice cream. We are here at Zangradi. Okay na ba? Look in it. Oh my God!
Ayusin naman natin.
Ayusin nyo. Ayos!
Ba't tayo maklik, Besh?
It's loaded.
Besh! Besh, naka-block pa kami pareho, Beshi.
Ito ata, parang ito. Okay naman din to.
Mukhang hindi kailangan ng ano. Nakikita yung ano yan.
Oo nga eh.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. But it melts right away because it's so hot. We're going full prod here to get this look. I don't know if you can see it. Thank you. Pero kailangan nakabad, Beshi.
Hindi ko mag-gets kung paano siya
Okay, Trisha's about to help also.
Akin na. Kasi ito yung maliit yung kamay mo. Saring.
Thank you, Ate Gail. Sorry.
Sorry na ikaw din
Okay lang.
Maliit kasi yung hands mo, te.
You're black. Ayan. Go. Todo na to. Yes. Okay. Pwede na siguro yan.
Kailangan mo pa ng isang banana. Ito lang ako gamitin mo naman.
talaga. Mahal kasi ng hair. Ito, Meshi. Dita? Dita.
Doon.
Yan ah.
Paranitan.
Ano ka?
Alright, we have arrived at Surabaya's airport. Everybody's working. Ninja Rod editing some photos. Deep Sky, what are you doing? Editing some photos. It's his last night. I'm so sad. He's gonna leave tomorrow, but yeah, we're gonna visit him soon. Yeah, he's like, I needed Noah in my life. He's the sweetest. Are you really working? You just took out your laptop.
Yeah, that's his secret job.
Wow. And the rest of the crew are there, also working. Me, on the other hand, editing my Sri Lanka travel vlog. So if you guys haven't seen that vlog yet, I'm gonna put the link below. I'm really happy whenever I'm surrounded with content creators because it pushes me to edit more videos. Usually when I edit alone, I'm so lazy. I forgot to mention that if you guys want to rent a Jeep, it will cost probably 1 million to 2 million rupiahs. And that's for one Jeep. Boarding time! All of us are flying to Bali. This will be our last stop. That's the gang. I don't know what they're talking about. Sorry if it's really noisy, but I guess this ends my Surabaya and BROMO travel vlog. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to Avelovinit, make sure to press that subscribe button below. And maybe Jordan too. Yes. Oh, he doesn't have any YouTube channel, but he has Instagram, Noah. And I'll see you guys in Bali. Bye!